my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Bolzano handbag subscription opening. I am so excited. I have seen a few other channels open their bags and I am so excited. The bags they have gotten have just been amazing. This is such an excellent subscription service. You cannot beat the price. I mean, seriously. I'm one who picks up purses and stuff like that off of Amazon, and this is a significantly better deal. I really, truly, I absolutely love this service. So before we open this, let's go over this is Grayson. He's saying hello. Okay, my cat is running around in here and he is in one of those cat moods. You know the kind. Oh my goodness, he's being mischievous. Okay, so I'm going to pop up on the screen right here the different subscription services that they have. So we'll look at this one very quickly, the Bolzano purse, the annual one. And so this has received one beautiful purse. This is the Bolzano purse and accessories yearly subscription. So you'll receive one beautiful purse and 2 to 3 accessories monthly for a year, up to a $250 value and free US shipping. That is all for $366.66. for the whole year. You get a purse and accessories every month. I mean, for me, that's just amazing. That's a fantastic price. Or if you'd prefer, you can pay for it monthly, and the monthly with the accessories is $33.95. Still amazing, excellent, excellent deal. And then if you just want the purse companions, that's quarterly, that's $24. And the accessories box is $18.95 per month, and purse companions monthly subscription is an additional $10 a month. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm telling you, the purses I have received were well over $33 a month. Absolutely. Okay. Here we go. Oh, always comes in a nice bag. Always, always a beautiful presentation. Okay, I'm so excited. Open the little ribbon. Let's see, anything, no, it's just a tag. But I mean, seriously, what a great gift to give somebody. Mother for Mother's Day, sister, your aunt, your grandmother, whomever. What a wonderful gift. Oh, so excited. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, isn't that beautiful? Such a great bag, such nice quality. Wide straps here. Wide straps are good for a purse this size. Nice and comfortable on the shoulder. I'm going to remove the plastic 1 second. Okay, there we go. I want to make sure I mention, Bolzano sends me this subscription service every month. I do not pay for this, but I would happily. I just feel like it's such a great service. You do take a little style profile, like they ask you, they have a questionnaire where they ask you the types of bags you prefer, and it's pretty detailed. And from what I understand, it's pretty spot on for everyone. So they just have me figured out completely. I did fill out the style profile in every single bag I cut and I've loved. So here we go. I think this is my 4th one, I believe, and I've carried them all. So yes, currently, let me show you my current bag. This is the one they sent me at Christmas. I love this bag. I love it. I've been carrying it since Christmas, and I have another one that I carry my iPad in. Oh, it's fantastic. All right, let's get back to this one. So it has a nice zipper on the outside, which is always appreciated. Great place to slip your cell phone, your receipt as you're running out of the store, right in there. Excuse me, it's pollen season. Pop this open right here and there is a full zipper closure. I really appreciate that. I love a zipper closure. Let me pull the paper out. Oh, wow. Look how big that is, but it's not too big. It's not one of those purses that's just huge and cavernous and it's just too big. This is nice, and it has a nice steady bottom on it. So when you put your stuff in here, it keeps its shape. I appreciate that. I mean, I love a good tote bag, but when I need something structured, this is excellent for that. Okay, so let's come up here. There is a zipper right here, full zipper. Nice deep pocket. And on the other side, there are 2 slide pockets. You can see them there. And then you can see the beautiful hardware on here. Pulls down the hot stamped Bolzano there on the front. So nice. And then here's the accessory package that comes with it. Look at that. I love the Bolzano accessory here, their logo right here on the side. I just think that's a really nice addition to the purse. So nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait. Beautiful color for spring. This is a nice gray blue color. Oh, just my color, 100%. All right, let's open this. This is so pretty. These accessories. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this on. Okay. Oh, look. Okay, let me open this 1 second. Isn't that pretty? And the chain is a full length chain with the same little design on it. I really like that. I love those earrings. I love this set. This will get a lot of wear from me. You could double up the chain. Yes. I love this. And you could have it long. It does have a little extender on it, so you can have it long. You could double it up and make it shorter. I love this style. Yes. You know what? I even have a pair of dangle earrings that are very similar to this, that this would go with too, so you could wear either one. Oh, I love this. Absolutely love this. I love Bolzano. I am so appreciative that they send this to me. But I'm telling you, even if they didn't, oh, ouch, no, cat. Even if they didn't, this is one that I would purchase. I am so impressed with these bags every single month. Every single time I get one, I love it. Yep, I'll be transitioning into this bag, and this will go back for next, maybe the fall, maybe when I travel. I don't know, I love it. I love it. So it'll definitely get used again. So, oh, how exciting. This bag is absolutely perfect for me. I'm so excited. Look at that. You see, it's a nice size, but it's not too large. So it's comfortable, has nice wide straps, which are very comfortable on the shoulder, especially if your bag gets a little heavy. Yeah, you know what, this one's nice if you're a mom and you know you get that mom purse, which has all your kids' toys in it, and you know, their Game Boys, or do kids have Game Boys anymore? Mine did. Anyway, there we go. Okay, thank you to Bolzano. Thank you so very much. Thank you very much for watching. I will leave all the information for this subscription service in the description box below. If you click on the link, I don't get anything from that. I just want you to go and try this subscription service out. The story behind the company is a beautiful story, and one worth reading, and one, it's a company totally worth supporting. So go check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.